Hello everyone. Here it says that suppose we want to investigate the percentage of abused children in a certain population and so forth, and it goes on. But I'm not going to read all of this because it will be a time consuming. I will just start doing the problem, and if you want you can pause and then read through and then start where I started with the problem. So part A says to find probability of D plus. So probability of D plus or D positive is equal to 0.02 times 0.92 plus 0.98 times 0.05, and that's equal to 0.0674. And secondly, it says to find the probability that PA negative given D positive, and we know that formula. I hope by now we can use the PA negative times P D positive given A negative over P D positive, and that would equal to 0.98 times 0.05 divided by 0.0674, and that would equal to 0.727. And PA positive given D positive would be equal to PA positive times P D positive D positive given A positive over PD positive, and that would equal to 0.02 times 0.92 over 0.0674, which equals to 0.274. Now in part C it says find PA negative given D negative, and that would equal to the probability that A is negative, probability that D negative given A negative over PD negative, and PD negative basically would be PA negative PD negative given A negative plus PA positive PD negative given A positive. And that would equal to 0.98 on top, 0.98 times 0.05, times 0.95, am I right? It's times 0.95. Over 0.98 times 0.95 plus 0.02 times 0.08, and that would equal to 0.998. And lastly, it says find PA positive given D negative. And now we can just do instead of finding that, we can just do 1 minus the probability that PA negative given D negative. That would be equal to 1 minus 0.998 equals to 0.002. And that's about it. For the last question, I am not going to answer it because I want you guys to find out what the answer is on your own, and because it should be straightforward, basically. So that's what it's actually about. I hope it wasn't really hard or not too easy either. But if you have any question, or if you wanna ask something, feel free to ask. And other than that, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.